Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to see about waste management strategies. I'm Dr. G. Shamla, professor working in SI University. The content which we are going to see is municipal solid waste management. What are all the types of the solid waste? And in that treatment option, how it can be disposed in an efficient manner. And the main thing which we haven't focused so far is fecal sludge management. What are all the government initiatives it is being taken, and sludge handling options, how it has been there. Then the methods of treatment, and finally a case studies we can see in this content. So when we are going for any activity, let it be a production unit or let it be a consumption or let it be a excretion, in all these stages, the content of sludge or the waste production is inevitable. So in case of production unit, whatever it may be a production unit, let it be a food processing unit or any manufacturing of any steel almirahs or any glasswares or even fabric. Every industry will produce a waste material. Either it may be organic or it may be inorganic. Sometimes those waste material will be a raw material for some industry. For example, in sugarcane manufacturing industry, the bagasse which is coming out from the sugarcane manufacturing industry will be a raw material of paper manufacturing industry. Sometimes the total raw material will become utilized from one industry to the other industry. That is one part. But without any waste, we cannot go for any production, whatever the industry is. The second case is all about consumption. Either we are cooking at home or you are buying something from the hotels or Swiggy, Zomato, whatever it is. In at the end, you will have some waste. Suppose if you're purchasing any product, let it be a chips in a packet, the packet will be a waste material, or you're ordering a pizza, the cardboard will be the waste material, or else if you're cooking at home, all the fruit peel, vegetable peel will be the waste material. So in case of consumption also, there will be a waste material. Finally, in excretion also, fecal sludge will be the waste material. So from the beginning, either in the production or till excretion, the waste material will be there, which we have to handle it in a proper way. So we can see the solid waste sources. Normally, we will segregate into wet waste and dry waste. Even at our homes, we will be seeing that we will be using the two bins where the wet waste, or we call it as organic waste, will be collected in a green color bin, and the dry waste will be collected in a blue color bin. So whatever will get decomposed, whatever we can convert to a compost is there in the wet waste. Whatever there in a which we want to recycle it, reuse it, like paper, plastic, glass, cloth, rubber, or metal will be a dry waste. As of now, in a household, we don't segregate a hazardous waste. Hazardous waste is in a minimal quantity. But even in household, we are producing the hazardous waste. It may be in the form of a paint, or it may be in the form of light bulbs, petrol, sometimes hospital waste, some cotton will be there, chemicals and other toxic substances is there. So these are all the types of the solid waste which we come across in day-to-day life. So, the example of wet waste will be the decayed fruit or peel off. Dry waste, it may be a plastics, paper, glass material, all those things will be a dry waste. So, these are the types of waste: rubber, plastic, metal, paper, glass, cloth. Hazardous waste, as mentioned earlier, it may be a gasoline or it may be a motor oil. Hazardous waste may be in the form of a light bulb, paint, battery, petrol, which have to be handled in a separate manner.